Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and the topic that we will discuss is today is how can we use a different mechanism to fill the form rather than we just select the cell and putting the data in it. So how can we fill the form by using another way? First we just need to put the subjects what we want in the data, like first we want the ID, and second we want the name, third we want the class, then we want the age, last one is second one is last is grade, and the last one is status. We have these options, and the options first I write the data which is 1001, and in the first one I just write here the Christopher, then class is 10, his age is 17, and I just assigned him the grade B, and on the basis of pre-grade I assign him the status of pass. Now we have the one option in which we can select the cell and put the data in it, but we have another options to use the another way. But before that, what we have to do, we have to just select the cells and then press your Ctrl T, so we will get a table which is create table. We need to press your OK, so we will get the format for this table. Now what we have to do to use another options, here you can see the customize quick access toolbar. We have to select this, and in this we have to select the more commands. We'll go in the more commands, and in the more commands we have the popular command, and we will shift it into all commands, so we will get the data in the all commands. Now in the all commands, what we have to do, we have to find the form option, so we will get the form option here. Form option, here we see the form. We have to select the form, go here in the add, and here we will see our option, and then press your OK. So you will see here our form option. You have to just click on it, so you can see here the form already appear. Now what do we have to do, we can use this form to fill out the data. Like if we want to add a new row, so we have to click here for new, and then I just write here 1002, then write here is Smith, and he is in class 7, his age is 16, and grade I assign him B or A, and he will be considered as pass. And if I just write here new, so you can see here another row will appear. If I just write here another data which is 1003, and if I just write here mark, class will be assigned him 6, his age is 10, and grade will be given F, and in the basis of F he will be considered as fail, and I just make another row. And last, if I want to know, and if I want to make another row, James, and he is in class 9, his age is 16, grade assign him D, and in the basis of D he will be considered as pass. And in this way you will get the form here without just putting the data manually in the cell and writing here in the cell. Now we have another advantage of this form. For suppose I want to search the students whose age is 10, so how can I search? Here we can see the criteria option. In the criteria option I will write here 16, because I want to know the student whose age is 16. So if I just go here in the preview, so here you will find the age of the James here is 16. This is how we'll get the benefit. Now if I want to know the student who got fail, so I just again go here in the criteria, and here we can see the criteria option, and if I want to know the student of fail, so I just write here preview, so you can see here fail, which is mark. Now we have another option. For suppose if I want to assign the Smith want to assign the grade to the Smith of fail, so how can I assign? I have to go here in the criteria, and first I have to search the student whose name is Smith, and then I just write here the preview. Here you can see the Smith, and I want to assign him the grade fail, or I want to assign him the grade F, and on the basis of F I will consider, or I will assign him fail. So how I can change? Here you can see the Smith, and he will be given as A grade, and in the basis of A grade he got pass. And now we want to change, so here we have given the data, and here we have to change it by press here new. So you can see here the data is changed here. This is how you can use the option of form. It is very helpful function, and it will have very helpful if you want the data entry to put in the form. And if you like our video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.